Where to find the best sites. Barbecue grills and smokers. Hello. Here you will find where to solve your questions about how to set up a charcoal smoker. These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about how to set up a charcoal smoker is bbq.about.com. Specifically the page titled How to Use a Vertical Water Smoker, About. Here's the link. Try also our second-ranked site meatfiregood.com, especially the page How to Set Up a Charcoal Grill as a Smoker meatfiregood.com. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see 778429.r.msn.com. The web page Smokers at Lowe's registered. Here's the link.